Concord grape jam. I was gonna do a jelly, but it took forever, so I did this without pectin, and I added back some of the seeds and skin, so it's more like a jam instead of a jelly. But that's what today's video is.
Yeah, it's fine. Still part of nature. Yes, it's a person that he. Can you hold me?
Oh, sure.
There's a jackpot up there.
You found a jackpot up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's some right here too. Lots of them.
Pretty cool, yeah, guys?
Okay. Could be one.
So what color is grape jelly?
Black. Purple? Yeah.
If the middle is green like that, where do you think the purple comes from?
Purple?
Comes from the skin, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, they can make grape juice.
Yes.
Oh, crap. Bag.
Very cool.
What happened to yours?
Hmm?
Yes,
Oh, I put it in the bag.
Yes, you guys can help me with this? Yeah, sure. Oh, that is a lot. Oh, there's even more that can keep. Oh, wow. I feel like one of those, like. My hair! Okay. Mama, it's my hair. And the hair's capped.
So we're separating the grapes from the stems and the green ones, right?
Mm-hmm. No. These ones are like magenta-ish. They can't put these inside.
Magenta-ish? Oh yeah. They're not like a deep purple, yeah?
Yeah, they're not like a deep purple.
Okay, look at all these, look at all the blueberries you guys caught.
Grapes.
I mean grapes.
No, look at my song. Look at me. Want to hear my song? Look at me.
Oh my gosh, they're getting everywhere.
So much. We found knives.
Woohoo! You wrote that song?
Mm-hmm.
That is so cool. Nice and mellow. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this to blend. Look at Kainoa. Okay, you can just go with it. You can leave it go. Yeah, it's got the seeds, so we're just blending this to make it all juice. There's no added water in here. This is just on super low. Look at that, cool. So now we're gonna start cooking this. Just put the music for now. Gonna cook this with the pulp and seeds for a little bit before we strain it.
Watch this, guys.
So this is the amount that I have here. I haven't really measured it. There's no measurements, and I will strain it and I'll see how much liquid we have there, and then I'll just about match that with sugar and then just cook it until it gels. We'll start putting the separating it through this mesh here. I'm going to put it into this cloth-lined bucket. And for now, I'm just going to keep filling this. Oh, all right. So I finally got all of them processed. I poured a little bit of this liquid back into my blender just to measure about how many cups I have, and my pitcher is about sorry about the lighting. My 8 cups is here, and it's a little bit more than that, plus I still have some left over in the pot. That's just to estimate how much sugar I'm going to need. So I'm going to do a little more than half of cups of sugar and to the cups of juice that I have. And here is also the pulp that I still am going to be squeezing out too. So I'm going to turn this flame back on and start cooking this, and it's going to start reducing a little bit. Okay, thank you.
I want to this one. Wait, what if we do our makeup first so you don't get a nail? Oh, yeah. Because then our face would look bad. Yeah, and then our nails would look bad if we did our makeup. Well, I think we makeup first. Yeah. I think I'm going to go for.
So I'm going to bring this up to a simmer and try to let it reduce. It's going to take a while before it gels because I'm not using pectin, and I was stirring this for a long time before I decided to go ahead and add some of the skin and the seeds back in to give it more natural pectin. So it took a long time. So I have, this is about half a cup of the pulp and the seeds, and I'm going to add some of my grape juice over here. I'll probably add a ladle or two. There's with the liquid added back into it, and then now to blend it up. This is after I pureed the seeds. I think I put about 2 cups of liquid in here. And so I'm gonna pour this right into my mixture, and I'm hoping that will gel up faster. Alright, so I stirred that pulp back in, and it seems like it thickened up quite a bit. I've let it again simmer for, it's been about 5 minutes since I added that stuff back in, and I'm hoping it has like more natural pectin in the skin and the seeds. And even though the skins are really tart, I figure with all this sugar I don't think it's going to be a problem. So I'm going to test it, wait till that cools, and see if it gels. Finally got it. So I gave about this amount away to the neighbors as well. I filled up about 3 little Tupperwares for her. And I also got a little jar like this. I found this cute jar for like 40 cents at Goodwill. So this has been a while already, but I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of it. Oops. Whoops. Trying to do this with one hand is not easy. So that is the jelly, the preserves. The color is not very true on the camera here. But here's a piece of bread. I don't have very much bread left. This is just not working at all.